Hello YouTube! Today I just want to show you how to make one of my favorite smoothies. This is a vegan coffee, peanut butter, banana protein smoothie. It's got a lot going on, but it's delicious. I make it all the time. Well, I go through phases, but we don't need to get into that. It is currently 38 degrees in New York City and freezing in my apartment. So why not make a nice cold smoothie? That's what I say. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. This was mostly born out of the fact that I have this old banana that I need to do something with. So this is the first ingredient you'll need, a banana. Next, you will also need peanut butter. This is some peanut butter that I ground up myself at the store. It was a real fun time, but any peanut butter works. I just did mine this way for the thrill. For the coffee element, I'm going to use this instant espresso powder. You could leave the coffee out altogether. You could use a little bit of cold brew. You could use an actual shot of espresso. You could even, let some hot coffee cool and pour that in there. I've done that too. There are no rules. Next, any self-respecting smoothie needs a little yogurt to kind of thicken it up, give it that body, give it that So this is one I like. It's seed to spoon, plant-based, cultured oat yogurt, vanilla. Honestly, I bought it because it's slightly cheaper than like the comparable Silk almond yogurt or... They all sort of taste the same to me. Next, a little bit of almond milk. You need liquid for blending. And finally, the protein in this protein smoothie. This is the Garden of Life Sport Organic Plant-Based Protein, vanilla flavor. A lot of traditional protein powders use whey protein, which is derived from the cheese making process. It's like a byproduct. So those ones aren't vegan because they're dairy-based. You can use any protein powder you like. Let's get started. I'll clean that up later. I'm going to put the banana in first. Next, let's get some ice in there. That's 6 ice cubes. I feel like that's good enough. I'm going yogurt next. And honestly, if I had some kale, I would probably sneak that in here too, because you can't taste it and it's just a sneaky little way to get some greens in. But I don't have any kale in the fridge at the moment, so I'll spare you. That's what the yogurt looks like in case you're curious. And as you may have noticed, there are really no precise measurements happening here. I'm eyeballing it, and I did about 3 heaping spoonfuls of the plant-based yogurt. I'm gonna get a fresh spoon. Let's go peanut butter next. Just 1 spoonful of the peanut butter. I'm actually not that big of a peanut butter person, but I feel like it gives it a little extra something. Here's how we're looking so far. I ate the little bit of peanut butter that was stuck to the spoon and now it's kind of stuck to the roof of my mouth. Okay, espresso powder is next. Oh, okay, we've got kind of a clog. Need to rip a bigger hole. There she is, protein powder. The serving size for the protein powder is 2 of these scoops. I normally only do 1. It's still 15 grams of protein, and I do kind of 1 heaping scoop. Lastly is the almond milk. I'm just adding enough so that everything will blend together nicely. It's probably about 1/2 cup to a cup. You can add as much or as little as you want to kind of change the consistency of the smoothie. Let's blend it. Okay, let's try it. It's a really good, oh my God. It's a really good It's a really delicious vegan peanut butter coffee protein smoothie. Why not caffeinate while you bulk up? Can you see my muscle through my turtleneck? It's really big, you just can't see it because I'm wearing a baggy sweater. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay warm, make a smoothie. I'm gonna go sit in front of my computer and chug this. I'll see you soon. Trust me, I'm jacked.